Hi, I'm Karen Corley, a product marketing manager from our customer success group. And I'm so excited today to share with you some new tools and resources and services to help you get the most out of all of your Salesforce products. So let's get started.
We'll start with our new in-app guidance resources, then enhancements to our help portal, followed by new services for implementation and beyond. Before I go any further, just a quick reminder of our forward-looking statement. Whether you're purchasing Salesforce or any other products, make sure you base your purchasing decisions on the current set of features. And with that, let's dive in. We'll start with our new ready-made, out-of-the-box in-app tools that are built to help boost user productivity. These tools are currently available for Sales and Service Cloud, and more is on the way. For today, we'll take a look at the Sales Productivity Package. Next, we'll turn our attention to the new Help Portal enhancements. And for that, we have Product Manager Remy Schumann here to show you the demo. In-App Guidance is a new Salesforce feature that lets you create custom, personalized pop-up messages for training, change management, adoption, and announcements. But if your day is super busy, you may not have the time to create prompts on your own. So, leveraging the generally available in-app guidance feature, we created prompts for you and packaged them up. This package becomes your shortcut to easily and effectively communicating to your users right inside the app. Since we've already installed the package, we can go right ahead and check out the prompts on the in-app guidance setup page. Now, you may be asking how we determine which 5 features to highlight. We asked Trailblazers and MVPs a simple question. What pre-built prompts would you love to show your users without having to build them yourself? It's super simple to take a look at the prompts. Right from the drop-down menu on each row, select Preview. We're going to preview the Favorites prompt first. Each of the prompts in this package were created to appear on the Account Home tab. Once you're familiar with in-app guidance, you can clone and switch the location. Users see a friendly reminder to check out favorites with a link to a Salesforce help topic. With floating prompts, we can place the prompt right by favorites, so users know right where to click. Let's take a look at another prompt that's really helpful. It's about the help menu. Again, we place the floating prompt right next to the feature we're highlighting, so it's easy for users to try out. One of the top requests we got was providing users with quick tips for using common features like recent items, chatter, and list views. So we made 3 docked prompts, which gave more room for more learning prompts like these. Now users can follow along with the tips as they're working in the app. In addition to the helpful tips on screen, each of the prompts links to a help topic with screenshots and details. That's a quick tour of the 5 prompts you get in the package. Now, you're probably asking if you can customize these prompts. And the answer is yes. Right from the row-level action menu, you can clone and edit. There's an easy-to-follow flow that walks you through each step of creating or editing prompts. By starting with these prompts, we hope you'll find that creating your own prompts is super easy. And before long, you'll have a whole lineup of prompts for your sales team. To install this package or the Service Cloud package, search in-app guidance in the App Exchange and install in less than 5 minutes. While we're at it, here's a list of all of the out-of-the-box packages that you can install to make the most out of Salesforce. Everyone loves ready-made reports and dashboards to share results with their teams and executives. So check out the pre-configured dashboards and App Exchange packages for sales and service too.
Now, to tell you about the Help Portal, I'm so excited to introduce my friend, Remy Schumann.
Hi, my name is Remy Schumann, and I'm a product manager for Salesforce Help, or help.salesforce.com, our site to get you the answers and support you need for Salesforce. I'm really excited to tell you about the new features we have for Summer 20. Let's get to it. One exciting feature we have for summer is bringing the Trailblazer.me login to Salesforce Help and creating a more seamless support experience for those who have access to more than one org. You now need to use an existing Trailblazer.me profile for Salesforce Help, the same as Trailhead or the Trailblazer community, or you can sign up with a new user in the top right corner. You'll need to connect your Salesforce credentials to that user. One thing to note, you can also connect an email address or social profile to your Trailblazer.me, But with those, you will not have access to support for your orgs until you authenticate further. Now let's take a look at the new Salesforce Help experience. Once you're logged in with your Trailblazer.me profile, using credentials specific to one of your Salesforce users, you'll see this new banner showing the org context you're in. This is helpful, as you're now able to access support across multiple orgs in the same session. In the same banner, you'll see the Pick an Org Quick Change dropdown in the right side of the banner. If you do have multiple orgs, you can use the Quick Change to switch to the org you want to get support for. The orgs you've recently accessed support and services for will display here. You can select any of these or click View All Orgs to see the rest. This is the Org Picker page. You can see all the orgs in which you are entitled to get support, and some key information about each org. You can also nickname each org to display a name most identifiable to you. Org tiles with Get Support have the same email address associated as the org you are logged in with, and you can immediately access support for those orgs. Org tiles with Login are linked to a different email address and require additional authentication. Additionally, even if you have not linked all of your Salesforce orgs explicitly in your Trailblazer.me profile, if your orgs are associated with the same email address, then we'll actually bring forth all the orgs associated with that email address for you. We hope these enhancements make it easier to have a connected experience across our Salesforce ecosystem and to get support for multiple orgs. And that's it for Salesforce Help. I'm going to pass it to Karen for more features we have for Success Cloud.
Thanks so much, Remy. Now let's move on to our next highlights.
New services for implementation and more advanced objectives. First, we have 2 new jumpstarts for Community Cloud and Digital Engagement. Jumpstarts are a fast, hassle-free way to get started with Salesforce, designed to get you up and running within weeks, and to do it with minimal time and effort from your team. You'll get to work with one of our top experts, the people who know all the features, capabilities, and possibilities better than anyone. They'll work with your schedule to provide a quick and flexible implementation while tailoring your setup to your business needs. The Community Cloud Jumpstart is broken down into a series of about 7 meetings, starting with the kickoff call to really get the feel for your business, followed by working sessions going through all your configuration needs, including things like setting up profiles, users, and security, along with proper branding, case management, chatter groups, and reports and dashboards. You can see that digital engagement follows the same model, with virtual meetings and deep dives focused on the key features that will help you get the most out of digital engagement from the start. With all jumpstarts, you'll end your engagement with a full review session in which you'll also receive your next step recommendations. And you'll have the option of up to 3 extra deep dive sessions with your expert. Along with jumpstarts, we have 2 new implementation architect specializations to help advise and guide you with more complex implementations, in this case, for Financial Services Cloud and Salesforce Billing. Implementation architects are your Salesforce experts to help guide you through a smooth implementation and help you drive growth faster by providing implementation guidance, design review, current application assessment, and more. You'll see value from your investment more quickly as they consult on best practices tailored for your goals. For Salesforce Billing, they will help you get your quoting process launched faster, guiding you on how to configure your product and pricing data, helping you create a roadmap to stay on track, while providing a set of expert eyes to ensure you follow best practices and mitigate risk as you create a streamlined sales process. And with Financial Services Cloud, your expert will help roadmap your implementation according to your specific goals. For example, if data quality and unifying your data is a high priority for you, your implementation architect can guide you through how to integrate your systems, advise on which data to sync to ensure that the right metrics are captured, and show you how to apply best practices to keep your product and pricing database up to date. With both services, your architect will provide you with enablement and resources to help your sales team and other key users feel empowered to use the right features and tools and reach a place where they know where to find answers when they need them. The last service we'll mention today is our new Technical Account Manager for Government Cloud. Customers with complex multi-org or multi-cloud environments need technical guidance to help run your business more effectively on the platform, and technical oversight for when things go wrong. The Technical Account Manager is your dedicated on-site Salesforce expert who helps you adopt the latest features based on your priorities and partners with Salesforce support to resolve issues faster. Your TAM will do this by focusing on 3 key areas for your success. First, helping you to mitigate risk by providing oversight of your most pressing technical cases and issues. Second, enabling change through adopting the latest and greatest features and functionality from our product releases. And third, helping you improve platform performance with their technical knowledge and expertise. If you have questions or are looking for other guidance and best practices to help boost productivity, check out these 3 key resources: our Accelerator Library for expert coaching, either in a group webinar setting or in a one-on-one setting for Premier customers. For even more events beyond accelerators, check out our event calendar for thousands of live or on-demand webinars and other events. And of course, help.salesforce.com is always there to help you find answers or log cases as needed. You can also talk with your account executive, account partner, or success manager.
And that's it. Thank you again for joining us for this special edition of Release Readiness Live. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you again next time.